So we're going to start off the day with some oat pancakes. So we are going to need 2 cups of porridge oats, which is 300 calories. And the oats are a much more low calorie option than flour. And then you're going to need 1 cup of milk. We use semi-skim milk, and you want to put this in first to start to soften the oats. And I'm going to add a tiny little bit of water. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to that just to help soften the oats. So make sure you do that step first. So it depends how much cinnamon you like, but I'm going to use just under 1 teaspoon. I do like quite a lot of cinnamon, but cinnamon can be quite strong, so just add however much you like. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon. Are you zoomed in?
No.
It's making that sound. Turn it off. So now we've got half a cup of flour. Flour is really high in calories, which is why we're only using half a cup. And half a cup of flour works out to be 200 calories. Before we put that in, I'm just going to grab my whisk and just whisk up the oats. What we've got in here smells very cinnamony. So we're just going to add the half a cup of flour, oopsie, and 1 spoon of baking powder. I always sieve mine because it's really lumpy. There's like none left.
Oh.
I'm just gonna have to use whatever's left. Did you get some more?
Yeah.
Good. Where is it?
Upstairs.
Okay. So you always make sure you break it down. Break it down. And then you are gonna need to crack in 2 eggs. That was the worst crack I've ever done. And then you're just going to combine everything until it is all whisked up. And with this, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit lumpy, because obviously the oats are quite lumpy. So just give it a good stir. And make sure your pan is super hot before you add any of the mixture. I'm going to give a really good spray of Frylight. This is like a really low calorie cooking spray, so make sure you've got that in there. And then what I find best is if you get a 1/3 cup, and we are just going to spoon in the mixture. You can probably do about 3 at a time here. So this is quite watery. I probably would skip the water next time. I don't know why it's added the water. Okay, it's gonna be a fat pancake. Maybe I should add some more oats or something. Okay, I did a tiny bit more flour, so it's a lot better consistency now. So I'm only gonna do 2, but that is what they should look like there. So you just want to leave them for about 2 minutes per side. So that one's probably ready to be flipped. Oh yeah. Turn it off a sec. And then we're gonna do another one. And then keep going until you've made all the batter. I like to make quite a lot, and then you can save some for the next day or share them with your family. So you should be able to do 3 at a time in a big saucepan as well. And this is how they're looking at the moment. Yum yum. So if you want 0 calories, you can use the skinny syrup maple flavour. They also do a golden flavour, but if you do want to indulge a little bit, this isn't a huge amount of calories. This is the Lyle's golden syrup. It does taste a lot better than the skinny syrup one, but it has got a lot more calories in. It's 300 calories for 100 grams. They're obviously not going to be having 100 grams, you'll just be having a drizzle. So use whichever one you prefer. Yeah, we kind of had a little accident here and I totally burnt my hand and it actually really stings. So, oh, the pan's getting too hot. We are just gonna add some strawberries. You can do yours. I really burned my hand. I don't know if you can see. Like down there, it's real sore. And we're gonna go all out today and use the Lyle's golden syrup. Just a little sprinkle of this because it tastes amazing. And then I've got my coffee here, which basically has got no calories. I've got that out for my burn. But yeah, this is our breakfast. I will have the total calories for this on the screen now. We're gonna enjoy. Blocking this up. Okay. So it is now lunchtime. We've just been to Tesco and we saw these fire pit sweet and sticky chicken wings. So it is a really big pack of chicken wings. Hello. This is the calorie value. I'm gonna have half a pack, which works out about 450 calories. So yeah, we're just gonna have this because we are popping out again. You could obviously have a salad with it, but we're literally just gonna eat this and then we need to go out because we're having quite a big dinner as well. So yes, I'm gonna get these on the tray. So these are the wings. You do get quite a lot, so I do think that's really good, especially with the glaze. So we're going to pop these in the oven for half an hour and we'll see you when they are ready. Okay.
Do you want to wait for that? No.
They'll be hot anyway.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
It's come out alright actually.
They look lush.
Yeah, that's good.
So you get 21 pieces of chicken. So who had the extra one?
You did.
Why?
Why not?
You can have it.
Oh.
So for 10 or 11 pieces of chicken, it's 450 calories, which isn't bad considering the glaze and stuff.
Do you want any lettuce or anything?
I'm just getting some lettuce out.
I'm trying anyway.
Might have some on the side. But yeah, let's go and enjoy our chicken. Hi everyone, so it is now dinner time and we're going to do a kind of roast type thing. So we have another one of these fire pits from Tesco. These are maple barbecue pork ribs. They were 2 for £7, so we thought we'd go for them. So half a pack is 191 calories. They look so tasty. And then I also found these peeled potatoes. They were reduced for 89p. We would normally do our own, but because they were reduced and you got quite a lot, I just thought that was a really good deal. So we are going to roast these. And then we've got this cauliflower cheese, which was also reduced. So it was £1.34. And half a pack of this is 129 calories. And then we're also going to roast an orange pepper and an onion. So the total for this works out to be about 460 for half half the ribs, half the potatoes, half the cauliflower cheese and the veg, so it's actually going to be quite a big meal. So yeah, we are gonna get cracking on this. So we've actually cut up some of the potatoes and it's actually made quite a lot, so we're actually going to save half the pack of the potatoes, so the calories is going to work out less per portion. So I will have to work that out and let you know in a minute. So the total amount of calories for our whole dinner will be 1,067, and then obviously we're going to split this into two, so it's going to be 533 calories for the whole dinner. Yeah, we've got our potatoes and our pepper, and we're going to put the onion in. We're going to cook this a little bit longer than the ribs and just make them nice and crispy. So we just added some garlic granules to the potatoes, and then I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. It's going to give them a really, really nice flavour. So we're going to cook these for 10 minutes and then we're going to add everything else. So yes, let's get this in the oven. So our lovely potatoes have been in for 10 minutes. Just going to give them a little shuffle round here. And then we're going to add in our veg. Try not to burn myself. Look, can you see that here? Here. You probably won't be able to tell.
No.
I think you can there. I leaned on the pan earlier when I was making the pancakes and it burnt so bad. I had to have a nice pack on it for like an hour. It was really, really sore. But I put aloe vera on it and it feels a little better now. Cool, so this is our dinner going in the oven, and then we're going to put the cauliflower cheese in a little bit, but for now it's going in the oven. So this is it just out of the oven. It looks absolutely amazing, so I'll show you it on the plate in a minute. And this is what the dinner looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. So this is what I eat in one day on 1,440 calories. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Click the little subscribe button there and be my little friend. And I have all my Instagrams down below. But yeah, I really hope that you've enjoyed. I really like filming these.